Questions about affiliate marketing? We have the answers. In these hard times, alternative ways for making some extra cash can be very welcome. Affiliate programs take advantage of the online markets and can be very lucrative. If you are just starting a site and want to improve profits or don't know what to do, this video can help. Apply these simple tips and suggestions to see a definite improvement in your site. Track all of the clicks on your affiliate links. Once you identify your traffic source, you can pinpoint what marketing strategies are the most effective at bringing in profits. If you track things like the number of views and click rates on an affiliate link, you will be able to see what works. Focus on the products that yield results. Do your research on the cost to start an affiliate marketing program. Many newcomers to the industry tend to forget that there are startup costs to this type of business. Keep in mind the setup, transaction fees, the contract minimums that you agree to, maintenance costs and development expenditures. Affiliate programs differ tremendously in terms of the services and payment structures that they offer. If one program doesn't seem to fit your revenue goals, then consider a different one with a different financial arrangement. Although there are many large affiliate networks, don't forget about the smaller ones as an excellent source of revenue. Affiliate marketing sites are a great way to buy products. You can see firsthand what other people think of the product that you are interested in, and then buy from there. This will not only allow you to get what you want, but support the person that gave you all the information about the product. High traffic to your website is what affiliate marketing companies look for. The more traffic you can get to visit your page, the more apt people are to click the link and buy the products that you are featuring. To gain more traffic, you have to expose your page to as many people as possible. High pressure is not required. Remember that affiliate marketing is not the same as selling, so you really don't have to put yourself through a lot of stress to do it. You don't have to handle merchandise or inventory. You deal with prospects rather than customers. You only have to introduce your prospects to the product. You don't really have to sell, so you are better off just being friendly and pleasant and making sure lots of people see the product. Affiliate programs can be a great source of income. In order to make it successful, you need to put in your time and effort. Nothing is free, and sites that you barely put any effort into will quickly fall apart. If you persistently follow these tips and try to improve your site, you'll see a huge difference in results. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.